multi-sown onion from seed. This bed is full of it. The broad beans are finished and I've planted in their place some sprouting pepper sprouting broccoli. The red cabbages, the red lettuces are doing well. I harvested a few. I've cut the tops of them, so I've stopped them from seeding. Going to seed. These ones are going to seed. So I'll continue to harvest as long as I can. And also this one, the coast lettuce, also going to seed. And I have the substitute for them ready, so I will bring it later. Harvesting a few beautiful flowers. I think this is delphinium. Dwarf French beans here we have. Harvest a few. We have a lot of beans at the moment. Radicchios are doing well here. Take a few leaves. They're forming some heads. I will harvest the heads later. At the moment our kitchen is full, so I just didn't want to harvest really. These are the things that actually accidentally, when I was reading, the onions came off. Some Beltran strawberry. This is, I'm wondering, is it courgette or a pumpkin, so I'm going to test it. Some leaves of the radicchio, some lettuce leaves. A few beans just to show to my wife that we have to harvest these things probably. Okay, no, not bad. Without any intention of harvesting, I harvested a few things.